Hello dear students, welcome back to Kadambini Srishti. So today we will discuss first chapter class 10 English. Chapter name is Tense Revisited and it's part 2. So today in this video we are going to discuss all the activities of the ways of expressing past time. So let us quickly start. So out of these 8 tense forms, we use 6 tense forms to express past time. So what are those? Number 1 is our present perfect, progressive. These are the 2 forms. So here are the 4 other forms to express past time. One is past simple, then past progressive, then past perfect, and finally past perfect progressive. Now it is time to do all the activity. We have to complete this activity just by using either past simple or present perfect. Here you can see the answer. So I hope you can do. Let us move to next activity. That is activity 2. So what you have to do here? Make sentences using the present perfect progressive tense form of the verb. So here is the answer. So here what to do? One sentence in each of the following is wrong. We have to strike it off. Okay? I can go home now. Here this one is correct. I have finished. So we have to strike it off. Okay. Next is you look tired. So why you are looking tired? Because have you been working in the garden? So this is correct. Now we have to strike it up. Then tell the truth. Have you broken the window or have you been breaking? Here answer is have you broken? So we have to strike it up. Your eyes are red. Why? You have cried. No. Here comes activity 4. So what we have to do here? So fill in the blanks using past simple or present perfect. We have already discussed. So I think you can do it. And here is the answer. You just see it and try to complete on your own. Next is activity 5. So here we have 2 sentences. We have to join the sentences using some of the phrases like as soon as, after, when, and when. So first, the alarm clock rang. I woke up. So as soon as the alarm clock rang, we have to give comma here instead of full stop. Then I woke up. Okay? Practice it at your home so that you can do it in your exam. Next is activity 6. So what we have to do here, we have to write some more sentences using as soon as, when or after by playing a game. So your friend will write some of the sentences that is A group, and if you will write some sentences that is in B group, then we have to join. So if 2 actions happen, one action happens after the another. For first action we use past perfect and for the next action we use past simple. So using that formula, here are the sentences of group A and here are the sentences of group B. Then I have joined. So I hope you will write it and understand. Next comes activity 7. So fill in the blanks using past simple and past progressive. So here is the answer. You just read it and if you find it difficult, then ask to your teacher or to me. Then next comes activity 8. Here we have to use past progressive and past simple, the same as in activity 7, and here is the answer of activity 8. I know these activities are very difficult for you to complete, so I am trying to help you to complete so that you can do it in your exam. And then last but not the least, activity 9, you have to complete using past perfect and past perfect progressive. Okay? Here is the answer. So in this way we have completed all the activities of ways of expressing past time. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.